Hi, I'm Jay, and today we're going to talk about how to replace the post filters in your Honeywell electronic air cleaner. The first thing you want to do is turn off the power to the furnace and air cleaner. Now that the power is turned off, let's remove the door and get to the post filters. The post filters are located in the final slot, the one closest to the furnace. Now we're going to remove the post filters. The first thing we want to do is remove the first collector cell. We can just set that up on the side. Now remove the first post filter. Reach in and remove the second post filter. Now we're going to take the new post filters and put them in. Here's a post filter. You'll notice there are no arrows on this. There's no front, back, top, or bottom. So you can't get it wrong. You just slide it into the correct track. Slide it in here, and we're going to put the second one in. Now, I'm going to point out that the post filters are in the track that is closest to the furnace. So there's 3 tracks here. First one is for the pre-filters. The next track section here is for the collector cells. The third one is for the post filters. So the air travels through the pre-filters first, then through the collector cells, then through the post filters, then into the furnace where the air is heated or cooled and blown back into your home. Now we're going to put the cell back in, keeping the arrow on the cell pointed again the direction of the airflow towards the furnace. Now we'll put the door back on, and we're ready to turn the air cleaner and the furnace back on. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.